Welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari. We are back with another video on EMRS exam preparation. In today's video, we are going to see most important question on ICT or computer awareness. Let's not waste more time on this. Let's start. Your question number 1. Which of the following is a set of rules for transferring data over a network? Your correct option is option A, protocol. Question 2. Which of the following key is used to open the start menu? Your correct option is option A, control plus escape. Question 3. The barcode which is used on all type of items is read by a scanning device directly into the computer. What is the name of this scanning device? Your correct option is option A, laser scanner. Question number 4. Which of the following features let you rotate the text in any direction? Your correct option is option D, text rotation. Question number 5. Which among the following is a software that uses a pattern matching technique to examine all files on a disk looking for harmful code? Your correct option is option D, antivirus software. Question number 6. Repeater works on which layer of OSI model? Your correct option is option B, physical layer. Question number 7. Which network topology is highly reliable? Your correct option is option D, mesh topology. Question number 8. A special high-speed storage area within the CPU in which all data must be represented before it can be processed is called. Your correct option is option D, register. Question number 9. In PowerPoint, the header and footer button can be found on the Insert tab. In what group? Your correct option is option C, text group. Question number 10. In which generation did multi-programming start? Your correct option is option C, third generation. Question number 11. In which type of network are all the computers considered equal? Your correct option is option A, peer-to-peer. Question number 12. Personal computers can be connected together to form a. Correct option is option D, network. Question number 13. Antivirus software is an example of. Correct option is option C, a security utility. Question number 14. Correcting error in a program is called. Your correct option is option B, debugging. Question number 15. Which of the following is a small microprocessor based computer designed to be used by one person at a time? Your correct option is option D, personal computer. Question number 16. Which among the following term is used for those hardware devices that are not part of the main computer system and are often added later to the system? Your correct option is option D, peripheral. Question number 17. What is DirectX? Your correct option is option B, software that drive graphic hardware to enable game and multimedia to your system. Question number 18. What is backup? Your correct option is option B, copy to save a data from original source to other destination. Question number 19. Which among the following operation relate to a set of computer connected to a LAN? Your correct option is option C, They can now share information and or share peripheral equipment. Question number 20. Graphical picture that represent an object like file, folder, etc. are. Your correct option is option D, icons. Question number 21. What is that computer program called which translate one program instruction at a time into machine learning? Your correct option is option D, interpreter. Question number 22. What is another name for additive manufacturing? Your correct option is option A, 3D printing. Question number 23. What is decorative text called that you can add to a document? Your correct option is option C, word art. Question number 24. If a word is typed that is not in MS Word dictionary, a wavy underline appear below the word. What is the color of the underline that appear in this situation? Your correct option is option B, red. Question number 25. A type of instruction that can produce several lines of machine language code is called a. Your correct option is option C, macro. Question number 26. The term time sharing has been replaced by. Your correct option is option A, multitasking system. Question number 27. Press dash to open find dialog box. Your correct option is option A, control F. Question number 28. What is the overall term for creating, editing, formatting, storing, retrieving and printing a text document? Your correct option is option A, word processing. Question number 29. What happens when you click on insert picture clip art? Your correct option is option C, it open clip art taskbar. Question number 30. What is a motion path? Your correct option is option C, a method of moving items on a slide. Question number 31. Command at the top of a screen such as file, edit, format and tools to operate and change thing are incorporated in dash. Your correct option is option A, menu bar. Question number 32. What does VPN stand for in computer networking? Your correct option is option A, virtual private network. Question number 33. Which of the following is an example of a cyber attack that target individual by tricking them into revealing sensitive information such as password or credit card number? Your correct option is option A, phishing. Question number 34. Which of the following is an example of cyber attack that target individual and organization by encrypting their data and demanding a ransom payment in exchange for description key? Your correct option is option C, ransomware. Question number 35. Which of the following is an example of a computer network topology? Your correct option is option C, star. That's all for today's video. We'll be back with some other informative video, and all the best for your EMRS examination. Thank you.